Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. Today, we learn some daily use phrases. Very first is please don't mind means ખોટું ના લગાવશો. Please don't mind means ખોટું ના લગાવશો. Stop laughing means હસો નહીં. Stop laughing means હસો નહીં. Next one is you cannot even imagine means તમે કલ્પના પણ ના કરી શકો. You cannot even imagine means તમે કલ્પના પણ ના કરી શકો. So in this sentence, imagine means kalpana. In this sentence, imagine means kalpana. The next one is the chair is broken. The chair is broken means ખુરશી તૂટેલી છે. The chair is broken means ખુરશી તૂટેલી છે. So in this sentence, broken means તૂટેલી. In this sentence, broken means તૂટેલી and chair means ખુરશી and chair means ખુરશી. The next one is try to understand means સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરો. Try to understand means સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરો. In this sentence, understand means સમજવાનો. In this sentence, understand means સમજવાનો and try means પ્રયત્ન. Try means પ્રયત્ન. The next one is this is not true means આ સાચું નથી. This is not true means આ સાચું નથી. Next one is don't tell lies means જૂઠું બોલશો નહીં. Don't tell lies means જૂઠું બોલશો નહીં. So in this sentence, lies means જૂઠું. In this sentence, lies means જૂઠું and don't tell means બોલશો નહીં. Don't tell means બોલશો નહીં. The next one is come with me means મારી સાથે ચલ. Come with me means મારી સાથે ચલ. So in this sentence, come means ચલ. In this sentence, come means ચલ and with me means મારી સાથે. With me means મારી સાથે. The next one is it may rain today means આજે વરસાદ આવી શકે છે. It may rain today means આજે વરસાદ આવી શકે છે. So in this sentence, rain means વરસાદ. In this sentence, rain means વરસાદ and it may means આવી શકે છે. It may means આવી શકે છે in this sentence. The next one is today is holiday means આજે રજા છે. Today is holiday means આજે રજા છે. So in this sentence, holiday means રજા. In this sentence, holiday means રજા and today means આજે and today means આજે. The next one is don't talk nonsense means વાહિયાત વાત નો કર. Don't talk nonsense means વાહિયાત વાત ન કર. So in this sentence, nonsense means વાહિયાત. In this sentence, nonsense means વાહિયાત. And don't talk means વાત ન કર. Don't talk means વાત ન કર. The next one is I reached safely means હું સલામત રીતે પહોંચી ગયો. I reached safely means હું સલામત રીતે પહોંચી ગયો. So in this sentence, safely means સલામત રીતે. In this sentence, safely means સલામત રીતે. And I reached means પહોંચી ગયો. I reached means પહોંચી ગયો. The next one is what do you want means તને શું જોઈએ છે. What do you want means તને શું જોઈએ છે. Okay. Get well soon means જલ્દી સાજા થઈ જાઓ. Get well soon means જલ્દી સાજા થઈ જાઓ. The next one is I was scared means હું ડરી ગયો. I was scared means હું ડરી ગયો. So in this sentence, scared means ડરી ગયો. In this sentence, scared means ડરી ગયો. So basically, scared means ડરવું in Gujarati. Scared means ડરવું. Look there. The next one is look there means ત્યાં જોવો. Look there means ત્યાં જોવો. So in this sentence, look means જોવો. In this sentence, look means જોવો. And there means ત્યાં. And there means ત્યાં. The next one is look ahead means આગળ જોવો. In this sentence again, look means જોવો and ahead means આગળ. Ahead means આગળ. The next one is let me talk means મને વાત કરવા દ્યો. Let me talk means મને વાત કરવા દ્યો. So in this sentence, talk means વાત. In this sentence, talk means વાત. And let me means મને. Let me means મને. So the complete sentence will be મને વાત કરવા દ્યો. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching the video. Please like the video, share with your friends so they can also learn the Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.